I have to wear shades for this one. We are showing you this villa for sale located here inside the secured subdivision in Angeles City, Pampanga. This is near Clark and Friendship. Let's check it out. Hi, my name is Howie, your trusted real estate agent from Live Realty, and welcome to another Howie TV house tour. Let's go. This property has a lot area of 400 square meters, floor area of 200 square meters, 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, living, dining, service kitchen, outdoor bar, billiard table, furnished with swimming pool and carport, priced at 17.9 million pesos. So guys, I'm wearing shades because sobrang bright ng property and feeling mo nasa ibang lugar ka talaga. No? So this is a villa for those of you looking for a vacation house or an income generating business. Pwedeng-pwede ito sa inyo. So let's check it out. So the facade of the house, makikita natin, lush greenery on this side. Imagine, oh, ganda. Then we have this gate and driveway. This can easily fit 2 to 3 cars. Okay? We'll go straight to the main house muna para makita natin yung ganda sa interior. Then we go back outside. But before we enter, let us appreciate the native roofing at treatment sa ating mga areas dito sa house na ito. Napakaganda, very beach vibes, Siargao or even Bali vibes dito. So pasok muna tayo. Let's go. So before the main entrance, we have this bench right here with this detail on the wall. Napakaganda. Even the ceiling are treated na native, pati mga light fixture natin, parang native siya. Okay? Wooden door with solihiya accents, di ba? So, let's enter. Wow, upon entry, we can already see, bubungad sa atin, itong console na ito with this very nice mirror. Flooring is very nice, SPC na wood design. We have this dining area right here, 6-seater dining area. Ito na naman yung mga raffia na ating mga light fixture. Napakaganda. Before we continue sa house, I'd like to show you this area. The sunken living area. Dito, napakasarap mag-bonding ng family and friends. So dahil sunken siya, na high ceiling tayo, we have this different type of light fixture dito na native din. Okay? We have this somewhat U-shaped sofa. So magkakakitaan lahat, bonding. We have a karaoke system dito. You can have your movies, your video okay. Air conditioning is installed. Ang ganda, guys. Very aesthetic. Even yung mga shelves natin, di ba? Lighted. Okay? Another nice detail sa wall natin. And also, the other one, no? The other side. It's even nicer because meron tayong parang wood dyan, tas meron tayong mga parang fan dito sa baba. Ang ganda. Super. Okay? Now, let's go back to the main area. Going back right here, we have this space. Tas dito yung ating dining. Now this walkway right here leads to the master, no? So we have a door right here and more doors right here. Unahin natin yung master. So ibang format natin today. So upon entry, we have this king-size bed na solid wood ang ating bed frame. We have this very nice bark of wood nandito na ginawang lamp. Air conditioning is installed. More lamps right there. We have a vanity on the corner. Plus yung Silihiya style closet natin dyan. Talagang when you're here in this house, para kang nasa vacation. Diba? So if you're using this for a residence or a business, napakaganda, relax ka lang all day. Okay. So upon entry sa ating master bathroom, this side naman, we have these shelves. So ito pwede mga towels, di ba? Mga like toilet papers, ganyan, mga toiletries dito. We have this solid wood countertop. Your sink, a big mirror with this wood detail around. Raffia na ating mga lamps dyan. Japanese toilet. Ito, favorite to ng mga viewers natin, ang Japanese toilet. And your enclosed shower with water heater dyan. Very nice, no? And yung choice ng tiles nila, parang stone talaga, which give it a more tropical vacation vibe. Now, this door is another bathroom. Wooden countertop, sink, you have a mirror, your toilet, and your partially enclosed shower with shower heater also. Hindi na pabayaan, even the bathroom, oh, ang ganda ng treatment ng ating mga native accents dyan. Now this door is a bedroom. Very nice size. We have the bed right here. We have solid wood slabs sa sides natin, and this bench, very nice, very rustic, napakaganda. Plus, we have a closet and a vanity area over here. Now, come with me. Going back to the main area, let's take one more look sa ating dining and sa ating sunken living area / bonding area / videoke area. Ang daming use, no? Kanina, yung cameraman natin, nag-photo op na doon. Ganun kaganda. Aesthetic. Now, go through here. We have this amazing artwork. And to the side, we have another bedroom na may single bed, air conditioning installed, more tropical native accents, and we have this, I think this is a vintage treasure chest. Ang ganda. Okay? Now to this area, we have the kitchen. So don't worry guys, kasi if you're gonna use this for a vacation house, may another kitchen pa tayo later, papakita ko sa inyo. So lihiya accents sa ating mga doors, di ba? Tiled ang ating countertop. We have your sink. Napakagandang mga vase dito. Oh. Very nice. And this door leads out back to the service area. Dito pwede ka mag-laundry, di ba? Magkaroon ng dirty kitchen. Pero kasi may another kitchen pa nga doon sa harap later. Okay? And I must say, ang ganda ng choice ng SPC kasi light wood dito, biglang magiging dark wood dito. Amazing. Okay? So let me just wear again my shades and let's go out for another view of the other areas ng house. Okay. Quick break mga ka-house tour. I would like to take this opportunity to thank each and every one of you for watching, liking, and sharing our videos. We recently hit 3,000 subscribers here on YouTube, 43,000 on TikTok, and 11,000 on Facebook. And if you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe. It helps us find the next homeowner from Live Realty. And also, I'd like to thank ModuPro for sponsoring this video. If you need quality and reasonably priced modulars like this one, contact ModuPro. Thanks! So upon exit mo, diba, makikita mo agad itong napakalaking space mo in front. Let's save that for later. Let's go to ito para siyang scuba bar. Okay, you have a bar area right here where you can entertain your guests. You have tables and chairs there. May umbrella na rin tayo. So, di ba, very tropical vibe. Beach vibes dito. Imagine, nag-serve ka ng cocktails dyan. And on this side, we have a billiard table under this very nice pergola ba to or gazebo? Comment down below nga guys. So we have this bamboo pergola or gazebo. Comment down below. We have this billiard table. Imagine bonding with your friends and family dito, playing games and so on. Now on this side, this is my favorite because you have this amazing setup ng plants sa backdrop with this palm tree na parang it gives it a California vibe and this very nicely shaped pool. So hindi ko alam guys kung paano i-describe yung shape ng pool. Comment down below. Pero ang ganda niya, irregular shaped, 'di ba? Kulay blue ang tubig. We have this lounge chairs right here for your relaxation. Then you have your pool room dito for your pumps. Diyan hidden siya dyan. And you have a shower right here with a toilet and shower area over there. Now, yung sinasabi ko sa inyo kanina guys, kasi kunyari magiging vacation house mo to or for rental, Airbnb, very ideal siya kasi we have this kitchen right here. Ang ganda. Dining area. We have your 2-door refrigerator. Abundant countertop. We have our stove right here, which is, by the way, heavy duty. We have exhaust right there. Meron tayong mga sabitan ng mga pan natin and cutting board, di ba? Ang ganda. So, prepare ng food dito. Serve sa mga guests natin. Amazing. Then guys, in case marami kayong guest, we have extra chairs right here, di ba? Lalo na pag may swimming doon, we have a barbecue right here. This is included. Very nice. Included ba? Meron tayong barbecue area dito. Then, we have another bedroom up here. So dito, sa terrace natin, meron tayong seating area. Diba? May rocking chair pa dito. Very nice. Ang ganda ng ceiling. Light fixture. Bamboo furnitures. And, let's turn this on. We have this parang dorm type ng mga bunk beds dito if you have a lot of guests. Air-conditioned na rin siya guys, so very nice. And from here, makikita nyo guys, yung ganda ng pool. Imagine, no? And kita yung bar, pati yung billiard area doon. Okay? Literally, pagpasok namin sa property na to, para kang wala sa Pampanga. Diba? So, let's do the recap. This property has a lot area of 400 square meters, floor area of 200 square meters, 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, living, dining, service kitchen, outdoor bar, billiard table, furnished with swimming pool, and carport, priced at 17.9 million pesos. Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate every like, share, and subscribe. Once again, my name is Howie, your trusted real estate agent from Live Realty. Together with our director, Ken, we hope to help you find your next property. Until next time, God bless. Bye.